Now, the last video that I made was about cleaning grout with some OxiClean and a spinning brush that attaches to your drill. A number of people in the comments had mentioned that steam cleaning was actually a really nice chemical-free way to clean grout. So I listened, I picked up one of these little steam cleaning units, and then I got to thinking, what else could this thing do? And as it turns out, it's pretty dang amazing for removing pet stains out of carpet. So we're gonna do a quick little demonstration here today. Now, pet stains, we have them pretty much all over our carpets. We have two dogs, Nora and Wilbur. There's excited peeing, there's muddy paws, surprise vomits. If you have pets, you know what I'm talking about. Now, you can definitely use like a carpet stain remover, but then you're introducing chemicals. You're walking on the carpet with your socks and your bare feet. And if you could get away with just using steam, it would be a lot better. So let's give this thing a try. I'll do a little demonstration and we'll see if we can take care of these little pet stains. Pretty good. Put that there. Dang, the stains are completely gone. That took about 60 seconds all in all. If you want to see how this little unit does cleaning grout against OxiClean and a brush, check out this video right over here. If the video's not there, I haven't made it yet. If the video is there, we're in the future, and hello future you. Yeah, I'm impressed with that though. I mean, I'm not detecting any of those stains, man. Wife is going to be extremely happy. Bissell Steam Shot.